Other delegates, all protocol observed. Good afternoon. Ruto, other accompanying delegates, good afternoon. It is a great pleasure for us, Tarbaj TTC, to have you here with us. Tarbaj TTC is a new established institution, the first public TTC in the county, which was established September. It was first intake was September 2024. As at now, we have 108 students, 49 male teacher trainees, and 59 female teacher trainees. As at now, we have 10 TSC employed teachers. We also have 9 support staff. With the few period the college has been in existence, we were able to get, with the help of our area MP, Honorable Hussein Abiti Barre, through Tarbaj CDF, 1 administration block, 2 classrooms, 2 dormitories, 1 hall, and ablution blocks for both female and male trainees. We also got a perimeter fence with a modern gate through the county government led by His Excellency Mr. Ahmed Abdullahi, aka Wajir. Asante sana. However, because of the demand, the growing demand for more students who are coming, we have a lot of shortages from different parts. For example, we are expecting new enrollment for September intake. We don't have classrooms for them. His Excellency, with your government, we request for classrooms, more classrooms. Dormitories, we request for library. We request for sport facilities, field and water view. We request for water supply. We are really facing shortage of water supply. We request computer lab, as TTC these days is ICT compliance. Nothing can happen without internet connectivity, without computer lab. Learners cannot do much. His Excellency, because the institution is new and maybe the CDF kit is overwhelmed, we also request a postmodern or modern kitchen and dining hall. We have so much shortages. We also request for a college bus for trips and also ferrying students or teacher trainees to their various practice. With that few remarks, I want to welcome you to Tarbaj TTC. On behalf of Tarbaj TTC, Tarbaj constituency, and the entire Wajir County, we say thank you. Welcome again. God bless you. God bless Kenya.
His Excellency, thank you so much. It's an honor to have you here today, because it's only with your support that this college was done, and the Ministry of Education, the Minister, and the PS video, specifically Head of Public Service. He came here when it was bushy here, and nobody could just come unless he has the goodwill from you. So thank you so much. I also want to touch on a few things other than this. Tarbaj constituency lacks water, His Excellency. We wanted to put a lot of water on the ground, but we have challenges with water. So as I've said today, I request you to offer us some few dams asante sana. Na pia, His Excellency, we have also prepared the ground for you here for your house when you come next. State Lodge. Thank you so much.
Tarbaj, hamjambo. Bas, mimi nimesikia vile mwalimu mkuu wa shule hii amesema. You have spoken very well about the issues that affect this college. First, I must say congratulations to the Member of Parliament for doing this historic act of setting up a teacher training college. As you all know, there has been a big problem of teachers in Northern Kenya. And I did ask the leadership of Northern Kenya to make sure that we have teacher training colleges in Northern Kenya so that people from this region can train as teachers, so that there can never be any time where teachers from this area, there are no teachers in this area because of the challenges of whatever nature. I'm very happy that the leadership of Northern Kenya have taken up this responsibility. We now have a teacher training college in Tarbaj. We have another college in Eldas. I have just come from another college in Mandera. It is very, very progressive. I must say congratulations to the leaders of Northern Kenya. And to answer to the many issues that have been raised by the principal, I just want to assure you, Madam Principal, we are going to give this man, your Member of Parliament, more money so that he can do all those things you wanted. And he's going to be supported by the governor here. But because I have come here, I'm going to leave this Member of Parliament with 5 million shillings so that you can start the next project. Wewe utaamua kama itakuwa ni hiyo mwalimu huyu atasema ile mtaanza priority project. So, sawa sawa. Otherwise, watu wa Tarbaj, mimi nimeshukuru sana, mimi nimefurahi sana, na nimejibu, huyu mungwana ameniuliza maswali hapo. Huyu bwana Bare. Bare usitoroke. Kuja hapa. Kuja bwana Bare. Kuja. Kuja hapa. Huyu bwana Bare. Huyu, elisema unaitwa? Unaitwa nani?
Mohamed Bare.
Anasema Mohamed Bare. Sasa huyu Bare ameniuliza wewe ni nani? Si nilikwambia jina yangu? Sasa unakumbuka? Unakumbuka jina yangu sasa? Sasa mimi ni nani? Hebu kuja jibu hapa. Unakumbuka jina yangu? Unajua? Aya, sema jina yangu naitwa nani?
Mudawina Ruto.
Oh my goodness. He's a wonderful Kenyan boy. Asante sana jamaa mungwana, asante sana. So nimefurahi sana. Nafikiri nimefika hapa ndio watoto kama hao wajue kuna president Kenya. Si namna hiyo? So asanteni sana watu wa hapa Tarbaj. Tuko pamoja. Thank you very much.